Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're here for another video, and today's video I'm just going to be unboxing and showing you guys this new wig that I got. It's trending, super popular on TikTok, and it is from BGMGIRLHAIR. Hopefully you can see that. So the trend that's trending on TikTok is this pre-cut, like the hairline's already pre-plucked, pre-cut. All you really need to do is put makeup on it and go. It's a glueless wig, very easy to do, very beginner friendly. So I definitely want to give it a try and see how beginner friendly it is. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, how are you? It's good to see you and I've missed you. Definitely subscribe and let's get into this video. So this is the box it came in. Let's talk about what comes in the box. You get lashes, the wig lace melt band. You get 2 different sets of wig caps, darker, lighter, tan. You also get a wig, an edge control brush, and this cute little pink bonnet that says BMG Girl Hair. Okay? So it comes with a lot of little gifts or whatever. To show you guys the wig, this is what I ended up getting. Here it is in the bag. I got the Peruvian hair, 180 density, 26 inches. So you can see what I'm talking about just in case you haven't seen this or you're not on TikTok or you may have not seen this wig already. Like I said, it is already pre-cut. Okay, it's pre-plucked. The knots are not bleached. You can bleach the knots, but it's very beginner friendly. The lace goes, it's kind of like, looks like it's either a 4x, it looks like a 5x5 to me. A 5x5, and it's glueless. So you have, this is pretty much a strictly glueless wig. You see that? That is nice. That's hairline. Okay, so we're gonna put the wig on. But I want to show you guys the inside really quick to show you why it's glueless. You see that? It just comes with the strap. And it has an adjustable piece right here so you can adjust it to fit the size of your head. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put it on really quick and see what it looks like to see how it's looking on my head. Okay. The gag is, like, everybody on TikTok is like, oh my god, you can't see it, you can't see it. But y'all can see that, right? Like, it's not blending automatically for me. But, excuse me, we're going to put some makeup on it. But the hairline is really, really nice, though, to start off. So, I don't know. We'll see how it looks with the makeup on. So this is it. This is the 26 inches. And this is just to give you guys a really good close-up of the pre-cut pattern and the hairline. Okay guys, I'm back. And I put some makeup on it. And it is blending so nice. What do you guys think? Like, this is legit. Okay, like, let's do a close-up. With the makeup on there, and then it may have you added, like, you can add a little concealer right here, but other than that, it's blending pretty well with just the makeup alone. And you can still bleach the knots if that's something you wanted to do, but you really don't need to. All you really need is some foundation, your color foundation, and you're good to go. And this is an easy, quick style. It wasn't that expensive. I think I paid, I'll definitely have it listed here exactly what I paid because I can't exactly remember, but it was under $200. So that's a lot. And it's 26 inches. So for me, I'm 5'8", so it fits about right there. At the top of my hips kind of a little bit, but I didn't flat iron it. I didn't do anything to it really, but take it out the box and put the makeup on. So it looks really, really good, you guys. Oh my God. I'm obsessed. Now I want different ones. Like, this is definitely easy, quick, and go. If you are not a glue down wig person, and you're a beginner and you want to get into wigs and you don't want to do the whole glue down with baby hairs, look, this is the wig for you. And if you wanted to add some baby hairs, you definitely could, because look at this. Okay, this is such a game changer. And now I'm seeing too that one of the trends is the wig is the 13 by 4s, 13 by 6 are actually pre-cut. So all you have to do is literally glue it down. For like, it's not necessarily a glueless wig, but it's already pre-cut, pre-plucked, everything. So you don't really have to do anything. You just put it on your head, glue it down, and go. So all that extra work is taken out of there for you. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think about this viral wig below in the comments. I'll have the link to the wig. Yeah, just let me know what you think, because it is really, I'm like stunned. I did not expect this. Like, it was white, and look at this, the blendage, it's real. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely like this video, share this video. The link will be below for where I got this wig from. And I also wanted to say really quick, BMG Girl is not the only wig company that sells these type of wigs. There's Curly Me Hair, there's Icy Hair, there's a bunch of wig companies who sell, I swear they probably get the same wig from the same manufacturer, and everybody just sell it and put it in their box. Because how y'all all got the exact same wig, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but yeah, you can find this wig, and that is what this looks like. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.